Are you Theodore Briscoe?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
And Mr. Briscoe is on probation in cause numbers 20-34535 and 20-36055. Motion to revokes were filed in those. They're both deferred probations, one for possession of a controlled substance, the other for evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle. Mr. Briscoe was previously in court, entered pleas of true to counts 1, 4, and 5. We reset this for a hearing. I have received the pre-sentence updated report. Does everyone receive that report?
We have, Your Honor.
Yes, we have, Your Honor.
And go ahead.
I'm just going to let the court know, after reviewing the probation officer's report, I'm in agreement with the recommendation of ISF. I don't see a problem with that based on the information provided.
Okay. And no witnesses or with regard to any of the other
Not going
counts?
to need to, Your Honor. He pled true to one concern is that there is a drug offense pending that's not yet been filed, still waiting testing.
Okay.
We'll try to catch it as soon as we do, and either run a concurrent or we'll deal with it. It just hasn't been brought to us yet.
Okay.
There's misdemeanors pending that
He's
we've
taking
discussed.
care of.
He's going to take care of it as
License here.
soon as he is done here. They'll free him up to be sent off.
What I'd like to say, just on his benefit, there was a charge of the possession of a controlled substance, and there was a pack of cigarettes that he picked up. And he says he picked up the wrong pack of cigarettes. There was a female that I think lived with him at the house, and they had issues. He had tested clean for 3 years, I believe, or for some time, and was even tested a couple of days after this. He said he picked up the wrong pack of cigarettes. She had been trying to get him in trouble to get rid of them. So just, not that it has an impact on this, but that's.
Okay. Well, sounds like if somebody's trying to get rid of you, you just need to leave, right?
Go.
Okay. All right, Mr. Briscoe, I'm going to find that you previously entered your pleas of true to counts 1, 4, and 5 in each of your cases freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to revoke both of those probations, but I'm not going to do that. It sounds like probation is willing to work with you and that they have reason to believe you can be successful. So I am going to extend your probation for 2 years. You will be ordered to enter and successfully complete the cognitive track of the Intermediate Sanctions Facility, the ISF program. You'll be on the high medium caseload and be required, obviously, to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation when you get out of ISF. All right. Good luck to you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I congratulated Sir Bank on, he's always stressing me, so I said, congratulations on getting a guy jail time. You had probation on one of the cases.
Oh,
He's like,
uh-huh. Here's that. Sorry. Okay, Jordan Thomas. Okay, are you Jordan Thomas?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Thomas is charged in cause number 24 DCCR 0487 with sexual assault of a child, and in cause number 24 DCCR 2178 with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And Ms. Holmes filed a motion to reduce the bond. Is that in each of his cases?
And just the sexual assault.
Which is $100,000 in that case presently. And I know this was recently filed. Mr. Hoffpower, are you ready to proceed on that, or do you need time? All right, Ms. Holmes, do you intend to call your client?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Thomas, please raise your right hand the best you can. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. You may proceed.
Thank you. Your name is Jordan Thomas, correct? And Mr. Thomas, how long have you been incarcerated at the Jefferson County Correctional Facility?
9 months.
9 months. And in those 9 months, has your bond been set at $100,000 for the offense of the sexual assault?
Yes, ma'am.
And has your family during that time tried to inquire about helping you make bail, but have been unable to due to the amount of it?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you have any property at this time or anything of value that you could sell that could arise to the amount to be able to bond out at $100,000? Okay, and have you all worked diligently within these 9 months to try to get that done, but have not been able to?
Yes,
And are you asking the court to reduce your bond in an amount reasonable and that you will abide by any conditions and also, whatever court appearances that you will be present and that you will not be a flight risk.
Yes, ma'am.
So there was a bond forfeiture for non-appearance. That's why it's at 100,000 back in June of 2024. Why'd you miss your court date?
You got no answer.
Okay, you just didn't feel like getting up and coming? I mean,
No,
so
no,
she's
I
asking
still
me to
ain't had
reduce,
Transportation either, but
I can't hear you.
I had transportation. Take on for. I tried to come, but
Did you call anybody and,
I called the bell. I called the bell when I was coming and told them probably wouldn't make it. They told me to, turn myself in. So, the day of court, they wanted me to turn myself in
right?
after I missed the court there.
Okay, so why didn't you, when did you do that?
I believe that's
Did you
my-
turn yourself in or were you
No,
arrested?
I turned myself in
When?
December 19th.
So you decided between June and December, you would just kind of hang out and see if anybody caught you knowing there was a bond forfeiture?
No, I didn't know it was a bond for.
Well, if you don't show up for court, you don't get to just not show up for court and not have any consequences and just chill out and wait till whenever, right? Mr. Hoffpower,
I don't have any questions, it's just an argument.
what's your position?
My position, Your Honor, in light of 17.15, danger to community, just on the original charge, which we're here today on sexual assault, I think the bonds would be high sufficient because of, due to the allegations and due to the danger of children in the community. Also, I want to add, obviously, the court knows there's another case that is before the court in yours, and it is another serious, dangerous felony. It was committed while he was on bond and in bond forfeiture on his sexual assault case. So that he proved my point.
So
You know, I know it's like similar actions, but it is.
the offense date on the aggravated assault with a deadly weapon is from August of 2024. And so, hold on, when was the bond forfeiture?
June.
July.
No, you said June, July.
June of
I
2024.
don't know why he wasn't arrested. He was arrested, or I don't know,
Why,
because the police interacted with him.
there
that
should
night.
have been a forfeiture and a warrant on the other case at that time as well.
Yeah.
So while you were out on bond is when this new allegation allegedly happened. Let me look at the PC on that one as well real quick.
August 18th.
Oh my gosh, I can't find anything on here. There was a warrant. I don't think he was arrested. This shows the Capia's return was from December, so that's when he turned himself in, probably on both of them.
I apologize if
Yeah.
I presented something different.
No, I'm just saying, I don't think he got, I think that's, hold on a second, I can't read this, I gotta print it out. I'm printing the PC.